Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Hocus Pocus kit. The other three kits that I just shared on separate videos, those are recent purchases. I just barely got those. And this kit and these other two kits here, I actually picked these up last fall. Now I'm not sure why I didn't share, I think I got a little bit busy, but I thought that since I'm doing some unboxing, I would go back and unbox this one real quickly. Halloween and the holidays are right around the corner, so definitely time to start thinking about that. Well, almost, if you'd like to be early with those type of things. So real quickly, I did pick up this kit right here, and this is it's a mini kit, and it comes with these 3 dies. So really cute. And then it also comes with the foam refills, and I'm not going to take everything out. I'm just going to try and hurry through these 2 little kits here real quick. And then I also picked up this kit last year, and this one is called the Halloween Sentiment Stackers, and it also comes with a cute little stamp. So you get this die set here, says Boo, Spooky, and Candy. And I like how they have the outline dies with it as well. And this stamp set says, I turn back if I were you. A happy Halloween to you. It's trick or treat time. Halloween night is such a fright. Give me something good to eat, and something wicked this way comes. So really adorable. And at the time it came with these Gloober sheets and the foil. Now I'm not sure if it still comes with these things or if they changed it up, but you can still purchase the foil and the Gloober sheets separately, so that makes it nice. Okay, so let's get started on the Hocus Pocus kit. This is a really fun kit. I picked it up, but I did not actually get a chance to use it last year. So I'm excited to get this out this year. So this one, sorry, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Okay, so this one you do get the acetate sheets, and then you also get 3 of the foam. Now this kit has a little bit more dies than the other kits that I've shared, so they do have a little bit more dies. So there's the foam pieces. They're all, you get 3 sheets, all the same. So I was doing it this way so you didn't have to see the glare. And then you also get some of the really fun toppings. So in yellow, these are little squares, little gems. Yellow, purple, and black. Orange. Lime green. So those are fun. And then you also get some stars, silver and black, purple, and orange. And oops, one more, lime green. Really fun. And then here are some of the stars. I like how they have just a bunch of different toppings that they give you. I wonder, did they give me, oh, maybe not, okay. I was trying to see if they gave me double the toppings, but I'm not sure. I guess they're just a little bit lighter. I can't quite tell. Let's look at the kit here. Yeah, I think they gave me double the toppings. And some of them, not all of them. Because that's what comes in the kit. And then look at the cute little examples that they have. Aren't those adorable? I love that. Okay. And when I purchased the kit, they had a couple of freebies, like little free items here. So you got these really cute little bats. Aren't those adorable? Little bats. And then they were doing a special where you purchase so much and you got these for free. So aren't those so fun? All different kinds of mixture in there. Okay, and so let's get into the stamp set here. This says Happy Halloween. Everything's better with a little magic. A haunted home is a happy home. If you can fly with the big girls, stay off the broom. Halloween greetings to you. Don't make me flip my witch switch. A witch is just a queen with a pointy hat. If the broom bits fly it. This wicked witch can be bribed with chocolate. Witches gotta stick together. Witches brew. Drink if you dare. Sending spooky greetings. If you got it, haunt it. Isn't that adorable? And I love the font that they chose for the Halloween kit. Really, really fun. And here is the paper, Hocus Pocus. Adorable paper pad. Oops, I just ripped that off. No worries. Isn't that so cute? So this is going to be tricky without the bottom portion. We'll make it work here. So they did it a little differently. They have it separately, but I believe you still get 3 of each sheet. And now that the back is off, it's just coming apart, which that is fine because I do plan on using it this year. So I hope my hand is not in the way. I apologize about that. Hope that you can see it. I would hold it up a little closer, but it's kind of falling apart. Let me do this one more time. I'll get a little closer. Just adorable paper pad. And then it repeats itself again here. So you do get 3 sheets of each, which makes it nice when you have some things that you want to do with that. So, and then last but certainly not least is the dies. And just a bunch of different ones. This one says Trick or Treat, Spooky, the Adorable Witch Hat, the Potion, the Witch with the Witch Legs, the Haunted House, and the Broom. And then here's the Moon. And then this here goes on the Witch Hat. So sorry about the glare. Isn't that just adorable? So there is that one. And that is all I have to share with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time, crafty wishes. Bye.